Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we are cleaning gutters. All right, quick recap. Customer calls us. Gutters haven't been cleaned in years. They got all that muck just in there. It's not draining water. Everything's overflowing. It's actually holding weight. The gutters are starting to sag, which damage the gutters and then start damaging your house actually. That is just caked up old polystyrene, mud, dirt, debris, shingle, rocks, just all the funky stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hand get all that out for you, and then we're gonna get a hose and clean all that out, and then we're gonna make sure every drain drains properly. We got a hose going down all of the drains. As you can see, they're now draining. You can't stop. And that's a clean gutter. Get everything that we dirtied up off there. All right, folks, that was a gutter clean.